Just like, blah! Every video now. Every video. Hi everyone, I'm Wago Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wago stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what comes in the fall Walmart beauty box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, I feel like I need to give a moment of silence to what is the last ever, I don't want to say ever, the last, for now, Walmart beauty box. I picked this box up last year when it was $5 a box. It recently went up to $6.98 a box. Still cheap box. However, you get very tiny sample products and hardly any makeup. It was fun for a while, but I have so much content. Boxes, mystery boxes. I don't have time for this guy anymore. And frankly, it's been very few and far between where there's been products where I've, really enjoyed them. However, I will say, if it wasn't for this box, I would not have discovered this product here, which when you see the packaging, you're like, why would I want a blue lip gloss or lip oil? It's not really blue when it goes on your face, but it does help to tone down some crazy orange or super bright shades. Anyways, I digress. All right, what is going to be in this box? And will it be a box where it gives me FOMO and I'll be like, why did I cancel? Hopefully not. Well, hopefully it will just be on par and I can move along with my life. Now, there are, I believe, 2 iterations for this box. You do fill out a brief survey, you give your age, etc. And I'm curious if it's based on age or your preferences where you get one iteration over the other. I'm not so curious where I continue on with this box. Leave me a comment and let me know if you also get this box. And if you're younger than me, if you got the other iteration. Okay, the first item feels quite heavy for the size. What is this? Okay, it's from Dove, and it's an exfoliating body polish. Oh, I do have this product. Is it from Dove? Yes. So this is a sample size because the one I have is quite hefty. This is in the scent Pomegranate Seeds and Shea Butter. I swear this is the scent I already own. Let's take a look. Oh no. This is slightly different. Wait, did it say body butter? No, body polish. This does look slightly different. The ones I have really chunky, almost looks like poppy seeds in it. All right, so I wonder if this is a new or different formula or a slightly different scent than the one I have. Okay, I'm excited to give that a try. Next item. What is this? This also seems a little larger than normal. This is C'est Moi. It's Me Soothing Cucumber and Aloe Gel Facial Mask. I love a good gel cream. This is facial mask. Okay, good. Didn't know if they shoved like a face mask in here. All right, so this, I don't know if this could be full size or sample. This is 50 ml. That is deceiving. It looks smaller than 50 ml. All right, I believe 50 ml, so this should be full size. Let's see, is it safety sealed? Yes, it is safety sealed. I wanted to smell to see how cucumbery it was, but I have 1,800, 721. I don't know if that math works out. I have a lot of open and going serums, lotions, potions, sleeping masks, gel creams. You name it, I have it open. And I really need to just chill and go through what I have. All right, what else is in this box? We have from Burt's Bees a facial cleanser. It says it's sensitive with cotton extract. That's an interesting product. Is this safety sealed? Yes, this comes safety sealed. It's funny. I haven't talked about Burt's Bees in a long time. And just in a different video I was filming, I brought up a product from Burt's Bees. How ironic. All right, that other product, by the way, stung my eyes, so I hope this doesn't sting my eyes as well. Okay, next item. Oh, how cute. We have from Real Techniques a sponge of some sort. What do they call this? The #1 makeup sponger. No. Oh my god. It says sponge, but you have that little R from the... What's that stand for? Like royalty rights or... okay. Take 2. Makeup sponge for the face. And this is by Sam and Nick. What does that mean? Miracle Complexion. Okay, whatever. It's a sponge. I love and enjoy sponges. Okay. Is that it? No. One little, I assume, a little sample here from Bliss. And this is Incredi-peel. Ooh, 10% glycolic acid. Spa strength resurfacing peel. Ooh. That is really good for exfoliating, getting off all the dead old skin and revealing the underneath rejuvenating skin. Of course, this is like one of the best boxes, and of course it's my last. All right, let's see if we have any prices in here. So the sponge is full size and it retails for $4.88. The Burt's Bees facial cleanser, this is a travel size. Full size retails for $8.34. The Semois mask, this is full size and it retails for $10. The other iteration you could have received from the same brand, Semois, some cleansing wipes, which has 30 wipes and also retails for $10. I scored getting this product. And I'm glad I got this because the other item was a Blackheads Daily Serum, and thank God I don't suffer from blackheads. This here is a sample size of the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Full size retails for $5.94. And I don't know if I got... they missed a product. It mentions another product which I did not receive. The same, I assume this one was from the other iteration because I didn't receive it as well. I don't know. I got 5 products and I think we normally get 6. I'm not mad. Confused? Yes. All right. Let me know your thoughts. I've got a list on the screen. All of the math I have to do to figure out what these sample sizes cost compared to the full size, and let me know, is this box worth $6.98? I will say, if you enjoy discovering new products that are affordable, then this is a good box. Meaning, this brand I'm not familiar with. If this is a fantastic product, it's $10. Go get it at the Walmart. This I have tried before. Good drugstore body polish. Not this scent or formula. It looks slightly different than the one I have. Again, great way to try it before, even if something's only $6. If you don't like it or enjoy it, then you wasted $6. So that's pretty good. Just like, blah! Every video now. Every video. This glycolic acid, $21 for full size for like 10% glycolic acid. At drugstore price, that is fantastic. You will find brands that sell it for $48 at north up to 80 plus. So if I like this and it's good, maybe in the future I will pick it up. I say maybe only because I get so many boxes that I'm probably set for life on glycolic acid and other skincare products. All right, I've rambled on long enough. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love it if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. This little guy down there looks like this. It would mean the world to me if you would click that like button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, which helps my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.